All right, what's up, guys? Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. Hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. Today, we got a quick update on Bitcoin, the crypto market as well. Well, obviously, the crypto market is Bitcoin is obviously part of that crypto market. All right, so we had a short setup here. We got, I remember taking some profits here. I remember exiting like 50% here, and then we got stopped out around the daily 20 EMA right here. So all in all, this was a good trade, a great trade in my opinion, and we exited this trade just in time for the local structure to break. And the local structure is basically this: we got the high, lower high, and the lower high, and then we have a sequence of lower highs here as well, and then lower lows. We have a higher low, a higher high. So we have a shift of structure right here. That's where we exited the trade. So that's a very good trade right there. Now looking at Bitcoin, we can go out to the weekly first of all, and this weekly wick looking very, very good. That's obviously a very, I would say, quite strong candle. It's a big wick. It come down and hit the monthly open right here. So we had the monthly open at around 61,400 ish, and then so we had that wick coming down, bouncing right there, very close to the daily 50 EMA as well. And now we reclaimed the daily 20 EMA. So if you guys remember my previous videos, I remember doing one yesterday, I believe, or the day before. I can't remember if it was a Saturday or Sunday. Oh, it doesn't matter. But I said that the first sign of strength for Bitcoin to the upside would be a reclaim of the daily 20 EMA. And on the close of the weekly candle and the close of yesterday's candle, we did get a reclaim of the daily 20 EMA, a daily candle close above the daily 20 EMA, so that is confirmed. However, we still need to see a reclaim of this blue box above right here. Actually, you know what? We can make that red. Why not make it red? Because it's resistance, right? So we want to see, and you know what? That looks terrible. I want my blue. I like my blue. Let's do blue. Much better. So what we want to see here for Bitcoin to get some strength into the market is basically something like this, you know, rounded, nice little rounded bottom right here, right? And then we want to see something like this. We want this market structure to kind of break above, maybe retest that level, something like this. This would definitely signal strength in Bitcoin, and a reclaim of that 69 to 70k region would be very bullish. And if that happens, I would absolutely think that we're going higher, much higher. So reclaim of that level is also where I might actually consider going, taking a leveraged long position on Bitcoin for a move all the way up to the 100k region. Now, of course, I'm not gonna, just set and forget with a target of 100k. I'm probably gonna be, looking at price action to perhaps exit a bit earlier if we see that break of structure that we saw in this region. Okay, so for all the altcoins that we are in currently, so as you guys know, I posted a lot of altcoin setups in the community right here. We got lots of altcoins right here, lots of altcoin positions that I posted last week, and it's all of these ones. Now we can take a quick look at these, see where we are currently. And so Cardano, actually, all of these setups are based on the weekly, so let's actually look at the weekly. So we got Cardano, very nice bounce inside the reload zone right here, and we're now reclaiming the 50% fib. We're right above the monthly open. Would be nice to see a retest or reclaim of the monthly open, but all in all, this is looking very good. And it's basically the same thing with Algo. Break and retest of the 0.618, good profit on this one. Sand is looking absolutely lovely. Look at that. We are currently up, now because this is a leverage long for me, I'm currently up about 50% on this position right here, and we got a lot of room to the upside still. And in terms of risk management and trade management, if we break above this high right here, maybe that would be time to move stops to entry on a position like sand, but still this is a very good position that we are in. And if this is truly the local bottom for Bitcoin, I think this is going to be one hell of a trade going forward in the next couple of weeks or even month. Mana, we got an entry on this move lower. We did have an entry on Mana, so again we had a move down into the reload zone very nicely, and then a weekly pin bar, bullish pin bar candle right here, closing above the reload zone. Very beautiful move on Mana. And same thing on EOS, and we got a very similar structure on Tesos as well. Filecoin in around break even here, around entry, but still a very good wick on that one as well. And then VeChain, absolutely lovely price action on VeChain as well. Atom was never filled, AXS never filled, and DOT never filled. These are the three ones I am looking to go long on, perhaps a break and retest of this level right here, and that setup might look something like this. All right, that's it for today's update. Again, just a summary on Bitcoin. We want to see a reclaim of the 69 to 70k region right here, something like this. If that doesn't happen, well, if we lose the daily 20 again, then yeah, I would probably look for a move lower to back down to 60k. And then if we lose the daily 50 EMA around 60k, we're probably going down to the weekly 20 EMA, which is down around 50k. All right, guys, take care and see you guys in the next video, which should come out tomorrow.